Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Kankakee, local and long distance movers near me. If you're trying to take the stress and anxiety out of your move, our expert movers make your long distance move easier. Choosing our team to help you means your cross country relocation will go effortlessly. Our moving services give you all the best choices to customize your move for your particular requirements. Hiring our team means you receive access to all the basic long distance services and all the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Choosing to hire a local Illinois moving company may not seem like it's worth the price. A closer look at the advantages you get from a local moving company may help you realize why it's a practical option. Any decent moving company will likely help you save time on your local move. It will also prevent you from needing to deal with any heavy lifting. Our team of experienced movers will definitely make sure your move is really efficient. With a local moving company such as 3 Movers, you receive a streamlined move. No matter how large your move is, we can get it done fast. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Kankakee moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.